This is a game called Typewriter. Scott is going to improvise his next bestseller, and we're going to see it come to life behind him via John, Andrew, and Adam. So what I need is a style of literature first.
Poetry.
Romance and
Horror.
horror. This is a horror romance. Horror romance. Horror romance. Okay, and now I need a title for this particular.
Attack of the Flubberbutt.
He even stood up to say that.
How could I not take that? Attack of the Flubberbutt. All right. So Scott's going to write the story, and we're going to see it come to life behind you. Attack of the Flubberbutt. Take it away.
Attack of the Flubberbutt. Chapter 1. Yes. Dr. Flubberbutt was disappointed that his mysterious wife disappearing business was not more successful. He had opened it on the moors under the full moon. He dressed in a ridiculous Victorian fashion, lots of velvet. And he had many alcoves in his wall that wives might or might not be bricked up inside of. And yet nobody answered his ads.
I can't believe all my wives are still here. Why don't they go anywhere?
He exclaimed one late evening when it was stormy, of course, outside of his Gothic business.
Oh, that's so loud.
When into his business entered Nora and Desmond, a young, freshly married couple.
Hi, I'm Desmond. Oh, wait, it's Victorian. Hello, I'm Desmond.
Younger,
Hello?
I'm Desmond.
more English.
Hello? I'm Desmond.
And I'm Lady Nora. Who's it to you, Doctor?
Yes, we very enjoyed your ad in the newspaper.
Yes, you see, my husband desires to get rid of me. And being a dad on the codependent, overly accommodating side, we decided to come here.
Dr. Flubberbottom's face lit up with joy at this news.
I can't believe you brought this wonderful Nora with that amazing flubberbutt to my business.
And he augmented his joyous face with unnecessary gestures. More unnecessary.
Sir, that's unnecessary.
Quite.
Doctor. Now, I must confess that Nora, being newlywed, I'm rather fond of. So if you're going to do it in, I'd like her to suffer a lot because it's a long-term relationship.
Dr. Flubberbottom knew just how to make her suffer and read the article section of TV Guide aloud to her.
Coming up on A&E is going to be the making of All in the Family.
And she screamed, of course. More feminine. Desmond was happy with the services so far of Dr. Flubberbottom, but he was impatient to see the breaking up occur.
I am impatient to see the breaking up in and I must confess, so far it has been excellent, but somehow I feel that her swooning is not quite enough suffering.
Quite.
Well, sir, you must first try to unhand the woman at least. Step away from her. You look like you're too much in love.
Oh dear.
Dr. Flubberbottom had an alternative motive. For while reading her the lineup for Nick at Night, he had fallen deeply in love with Nora.
Nora, please allow yourself to be released from the ugly claw hands of Desmond.
Sweet husband, I've reconsidered this whole venture, and I would like to opt out.
I'd like you to loosen up. I'm losing the feeling in my hand.
That's love!
Honey, it just feels numb.
That's love!
Oh dear, then I'm right. I forgot I was English. We had love and numb are the same for us.
Point!
But Dr. Flubberbottom had an ace up his sleeve. He quickly stole away to the nearest phone and called the report a half-crab, half-human agent of the mindless crab overlords to the police number and reported Desmond for his crab-like hands.
Hey, I got this guy here, and he's got crab-like hands.
Oh, love! You're being reported for your pincers!
They weren't red before I got here.
Please hurry.
In the distance, they could hear the approaching screaming of the crab sirens. Kind of.
Scratch, 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 crabs!
And they walked like crabs, talked like crabs, but they thought like people when they arrived. And they were invisible too, yes. So Desmond found himself being carted away by invisible forces.
Just come this way, sir.
Come this way.
Nobody's gotta get hurt. Come on, crabby hands.
And you can't see us.
It's rather English.
Dr. Flubberbottom was alone at last with his love Nora.
Nora, please, he's gone. Take my hand, Nora. Please, don't leave me here all flubber-buddy by
But it's-
myself.
It's so pink and fleshy.
But
It's hideous.
it's a normal human hand, Nora.
What could she be talking about? But then he noticed that her hands weren't human at all. But they also weren't crab hands. Inexplicably, they were robot hands. The end.
Inexplicably.